Can't.
Cupped. Fuck me.
Soon, they gather power.
Leaving left.
They look to you for more fuel.
Their sacrifice fuels me. So small, soft, weak.
Next cleave going left.
Where is your rage?
Inversion in 5.
Lance needs to die as well, too.
Give Guardian to left, it'll follow me out.
Yep, and I'm moving left. I mean right, sorry. Leaving right.
We've all eaten it.
Zach has on land.
Leaving left. And I'm gonna move left too.
Fuel boils. To my will.
Next stacks. I am edge tanking. Next cleave going right.
Make sure this Lance dies as well, please, team.
Rises.
Version.
Leaving left.
We're gonna kill the stacked Lance, Star will live.
I need space to the right, please.
Next lead.
Got it.
Put boss damage in.
Jesus Christ.
We've got to get close soon.
I'm gonna cancel this one.
Facing right.
Let's cancel down. I'll babysit it. Yeah, we'll just be late, sorry.
Justice needs to die in the back.
Next cleave going right.
He's gonna get back up.
Need way more people on ads.
Yeah, let's go.
Where is your rage?
Going down. Oh, maybe not.
Conversion. Boss is at 37%.
I'll be cleaving left. Left. Moving left. Moving left.
So small, soft.
Justice
Going
hit.
down now. Everybody on the Justice, kill it.
Cleaving left.
None can harm a god.
Next
Justice
Justice
is
now.
hit.
Alright, we need more boss. Boss is actually
Guardian in mid.
well good on boss.
I've
got-
rooted Guardian.
I've got Guardians.
We can go into burn now. Honestly.
Facing left.
Yeah, we're good on stacks. We should burn.
Running left. Big left.
No one escapes my
I had that out off you, Kyrie.
Thank you. Alright. I'll
Just
just let
let-
you kite these ads.
Yeah, just leave them on.
Everybody on boss. Communicate anything with Graces though.
There's a solo. There's two. I'll tell solo one.
Version. Let's have raid buff when we come back.
Right, flag. I'm cleaving left.
I'll
Yeah,
interrupt
moving
Grace
left,
first.
moving left, moving left.
I will babysit Grace.
I'll be cleaving this left as well.
There's
Actually,
only-
I'll edge tank, edge tank.
Yep, I'll babysit the entire time.
And I'm just holding the boss here.
It's dead.
Boss is dead.
GG team.
Very nice.
Last pull magic.
That was a nice